A murky picture again going on here this midday. Clouds hanging around in Austin. It's maybe a couple of days before we see some sunshine, to be quite honest. Right now, a gray day with more rain on the way. We've had a couple of rounds already in Austin. More will happen this afternoon. That's our Lewiston auto camera in Austin. Showers in Rochester, sprinkles nearby. They're beginning to pull away to the east, the current batch of rain, but there is more on the way on the backside of the storm system that's now centered in western Wisconsin. Showers are rotating around that, bringing more rain chances in for the northwest. Austin, in the short term, we'll see another couple of sprinkles in the next 20 minutes. More rain beyond that for the latter part of the afternoon. So expect some rain at times, a fairly tame breeze that will pick up just a little bit moving outside the rest of today. This is from near Grand Meadow with our Lewiston auto camera. A gray picture in the heart of Mower County right now here in Rochester. Gray skies as well. It's 52. The winds out of the west, 6 miles per hour, dew point 48. So a assertive amount of humidity in the atmosphere, and perhaps you've noticed that. The dew points at times in the past day or so have been in the 50s, just a touch of humidity. For April, noticeable. The rest of the year, we would probably be basking in the glory of a crisp, dry day because dew points in the 50s are not that muggy, really, overall, anyway. But rainfall, we came into the last couple of days with a trace amount of rain. We had a little more than a tenth of an inch yesterday. Total now for the month up to this hour, 0.3 of an inch. That's almost half of what we normally have this time of the year. We had a deficit of about 0.7 of an inch going into this, so we've done well. We've almost cut that in half. We could use a little more, and we'll get just a little more today. Another 0.1 of an inch is possible. 53 right now at the airport in Rochester. Austin 52. Mason City 53 degrees, Zumbrota 53, and Winona 54 degrees. A light southwest breeze, 8 miles per hour. Dew point in Rochester officially 46. Air pressure is rising. Showers building in the backside of that storm system. Earlier today, that system was planted right on top of us. We had persistent rain for about 7 or 8 hours this morning, going from midnight all the way until the heart of the day. But now the rain has moved on to the northeast, the bulk of it anyway, and the showers are rotating around. That will be in and out of those scattered showers, but just light activity. And certainly no severe weather risk for us for the rest of today or really the rest of the weekend. But there will be some showers off and on this afternoon. Here's Future Track high-res radar, at least future radar, looking at the possibility of rain until about 6, maybe 7, a couple of sprinkles throughout that time frame, and then we dry out later tonight until maybe late tomorrow. Another storm system altogether comes in. Brings a chance of very sparse showers for parts of our Saturday. 53 in Rochester, it's 52 in Wausau, Madison now 53, and Chicago 57. There are cooler numbers north to westward, 30s and 40s. That cooler air is blowing in on those northwest winds in the backside of that system. So we will at least have some cooler weather ahead yet for tonight and even tomorrow, with more of a brisk breeze for our Saturday. Today, a little more breeze developing, 10 to 15 miles per hour, 54 the high, off and on showers through about 6 to 7 o'clock. Drier weather closer to sunset through the overnight hours. The temperatures then drop into the low 40s for the overnight hours. And then we'll have a decent Saturday, but there will be a couple of spots that have to deal with a bit of rain. Once storm system moves out, we have a drier night. Future Track looking at tomorrow, maybe a peek at the sun first thing in the morning. Otherwise, we go into the late morning hours and afternoon. Another storm system out of Missouri moves through Iowa and Illinois, and it's on its western periphery. The chance of showers reach areas just east of Rochester down to parts of northeast Iowa just for the rest of tomorrow and to very late tomorrow night. And then Sunday morning we start with clouds. We'll have some sun later on. Another storm system from the west brings a chance of spotty showers on Monday. So Sunday is the best chance of sun, mainly in the afternoon hours, that we'll see for the next several days. Next week, little unsettled, but definitely cooler and sparse rain chances, though. Not a lot of rain, but there will be a couple of storm systems bringing a significant cloud cover at times. A normal high this time of the year, right around 54, and we're going to be at or below that more often than not in the next week. And now that's quite a departure from what we've had this week, when we've been anywhere from 15 to 30 degrees above the seasonal average. But today, 54, that's spot on. This is the average for this time of the year. West winds picking up just a bit, at times reaching 20 miles per hour, and off and on rain for the next 4 or 5 hours. Tonight, 41, but a drier night, kind of a chilly northwest breeze. Tomorrow, a gusty northwest wind, a couple of afternoon showers, mainly east of Rochester, a high of 52. In the 7-day forecast, a little sunshine Sunday afternoon helps us get 60 degrees. Next week, 40s to low 50s, and just small doses of rain Monday, and again for the end of the week. But all those conditions look very April-like, something we've not seen a lot of recently. We've been kind of in May or June mode for a while. Ted's Trivia: in what Scottish county is Balmoral Castle located? Of course, that's the summer residence of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II and the now deceased Prince Philip.
All right, this is going to be a total guess. How about A?
You nailed it, Jess. It's
Oh,
Aberdeenshire.
really?
That's
Okay.
right, kind of the northeast part of Scotland.
Okay, I was a little lucky today. Thank you, Ted.